It is DJ Spy Guy here. What's up, everybody? About to ride to work here. Just one more thing I got to do across the street here, and then we can actually get going for real. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Stream online at Thursday, April 30th, 2026, 9 hours, 20 minutes, and 41 seconds a.m. Linux Physics said, "Hi, is Strava running?"
Strava's going. Oh, I forgot my water bottle today. So many things to take with me to work. What's up, Linux? Actually, today would have. I'm just gonna get like a Gatorade bottle or something. I think they're on sale today at Save on Foods. But it's gonna be a warm one on the way home today.
Linux Physics said, "There are 2 water fountains along your bike route."
Yeah. I usually have like a big glass of water before I
Linux
head out
Physics said,
too.
"One at Templeton Secondary and another at Union and Main Street."
Welcome to the stream. This is me riding my bike to work. You never see me get to work though. If you think about it, it's like, is he actually? He keeps saying he's riding his bike to work, but he never shows up at work. Is this whole stream a lie? I gotta pay for it somehow, I guess. So if you've got a Twitch Prime subscription you're not using, why not use it on your favorite streamer? Me. No, not me. I just had I guess this past week, Twitch notifications are saying how I had all of my gift subs had run out to all my streamers that I follow. Like 10 different streamers I had gift subs to that I watched. All expired. Uh-oh, let's see what we can do up here to avoid
Stream
the bus.
offline at Thursday, April 30th, 2026,
No.
9 hours, 24 minutes, and 16 seconds a.m. Linux Physics said, "Short and hard F back there." Linux Physics said, "Back."
Well, that was funny. I was just talking about subscribing to Twitch. There's no way it could have been the router. No way. I think that was just one of our little weird Fs that we get every once in a while. That's my automatic double shot alert message to get more people to watch me. Move over. Templeton Pool and oh, look at these new signs they've put up here. Just for today? Huh, weird. There must be a huge event or something happening. We got this school photographer. Wow, big event. Maybe a movie because they've got movie stuff here. Oh, I wonder if The Last of Us is going to be filming there.
Linux Physics said, 1.5 more months of school for them.
Remember school? It's a tiny, short part of your life too. I don't think I talked to anybody. There's one person I might talk to from high school. And he wasn't even in my grade. He was a grade below me. And I only made friends with him after we graduated. We got the double confusion going here.
Linux Physics said, I think for senior high school, they should extend the hours to regular working hours, like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Gross. All gravity, no brakes. Do I get the light? No. Damn. Oh, so close. This is where I would usually take a nice, disgusting sip of water into the microphone.
Linux Physics said, for university, school should be treated as a job. There is nothing optional about it. Stream online at Thursday, April 30th.
Hey, thanks, Twitch.
2026, 9 hours, 28 minutes, and 35 seconds a.m.
We're back online, everybody. We're gonna have to say goodbye to that crane really soon, I think.
Linux Physics said, fast.
on the phone. Oh, let's get that Strava Gold. Oh no, these people ruining my record.
Linux Physics said, be safe. Linux Physics said, Strava record means nothing.
I know. I'm pretty sure I got it, so I don't have to do that again. Shit. Can't pass these people. That was fun. That was a nice burst of athleticism. What little I have left. I'll just wait it out. I don't know what that car's going to do. We can go. It's now safe. Uh-oh, got in the way. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Oh, we got this jackass in front of us now. Keeping the parks all clean and stuff.
Linux Physics said, I hate when they make Strava segment cross red-green lights because it promotes very dangerous behaviors.
Why am I so full of energy? You know what it is? I got up like an hour earlier today. La 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 la.
Linux Physics said, Sugar Rush?
Not really. Maybe it's lack of stress. I don't owe any money to the government.
Linux Physics said, Chalky.
Interesting. How about now?
Linux Physics said, weird, usually not chalky around here.
Yeah. Maybe this was just a bad initial connection to and startup of my router. I did start it differently today. I have like full strength on the wireless. I still don't know if it's what connection it is, if it's my cellular connection or the wireless connection to my camera. Good morning.
Morning.
It is almost summer. Not really. Oh, they're taking my spot. Oh.
Monkey Banana said, howdy.
Hey, Monkey Bananas. Welcome to the Scuff bike stream of Vancouver. There we go. That's a very nice ending point. I think so. Thanks for joining me on the intermittent stream. There goes a crow dropping a mussel. Delicious seafood breakfast.
Linux Physics said, thanks for the stream. Have a great day.
We'll see you guys this afternoon for sure. Then thanks everybody over there on YouTube for watching and giving me that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button too, and the follow button over on Twitch. We'll see you in the next one.